Are you wondering when to sell your small business? Maybe how to sell your small business? Watch this video for a step-by-step overview of exactly how and when to sell your business. Hi, my name's Trent. I've sold over 600 businesses, and for the last 5 years in a row, I've been named the #1 business broker in the country for the most closed transactions per year. And I make these videos so that one day, when you're ready to sell your business, you'll think about hiring me. Today, we're diving into a crucial topic for small business owners: exit planning. When and how should you start preparing for the sale of your business? Let's get started. You've poured your heart and soul into your small business. There comes a time when it might be time to move on to new adventures. But when is the right time to start thinking about selling your business? The answer, well, the sooner the better. In fact, successful exit planning should begin several years before you actually sell the business. Here's why. First, you can maximize the value. Early planning gives you time to increase the business's value. You can make strategic improvements that potential buyers will find attractive. In particular, the more you increase SDE, or seller's discretionary earnings, the higher the valuation will be. Among increasing SDE, focus on creating recurring revenue, diversifying revenue, and making sure that vital contracts are assignable, just to name a few items that you should be aware of. Work with a certified business broker or exit planning advisor to help prepare you. Number 2, financial readiness. You can ensure your financials are in order. This means having clean records, manageable debt, and a strong balance sheet. Ideally, both a buyer and an SBA lender will want to see the number of documents, including 3 to 5 years financials, both the profit and loss statement and the balance sheet, the trailing 12-month financials, 3 to 5 year business tax returns, a list of any and all assets as well as liabilities and debt, 24 months bank statements that match and are reconciled to your financials. If this seems overwhelming, you need to make sure that you have a CPA or bookkeeper who helps gather and organize these items. You should be reviewing this stuff anyway every single month as a business owner. A good business broker can help prepare you as well. Number 3, seek professional advice. Consider enlisting the help of experts like financial advisors, accountants, and business brokers. They can guide you through the process. A business broker plays a crucial role in selling a small business by leveraging their expertise to find qualified buyers, negotiate the best deal, and ensure a smooth transaction process. They also provide valuable insights on pricing, marketing strategies, and the complex paperwork that seems to go on forever when you're in one of these transactions. They will help make the sales process more efficient and maximize profitability for the business owner. It's never too early to start thinking about your exit strategy, but typically you should begin at least 3 to 5 years before you plan to exit. If you can't begin that early, then begin as soon as you can. And finally, number 5, let's talk about preparing to know when to sell. The first item you want to do is make sure you set a clear goal. Setting clear goals is fundamental to the process of preparing to know when to sell. By defining your objective of how much you want to sell for and what you need for retirement, in this case as an example, you establish a clear direction for when the right time to sell is based on when you can justify the valuation. Consider whether you intend to sell to a competitor, a family member, a third party. As your goals increase and change, so will your overall strategy. Selling to a competitor may involve a different strategy and consideration than passing the business to a family member or selling to an unrelated third party. Your goals will guide decisions related to pricing, negotiation tactics, and marketing approaches. They serve as a compass that ensures all of your efforts align with your ultimate objective, helping you achieve a successful and satisfying business sale. A professional will help guide you through that process. Make sure as you go through that you are reviewing your company's financials and making sure that they're clean and organized. A business broker can help you through that process to make sure that they can give you some guidance. Step 2 in part 5, assess your business financials. Reviewing your financials is a critical step in preparing to sell your small business, and a knowledgeable business broker can be an invaluable asset in this process. Business brokers possess the expertise to thoroughly examine your financial records, enabling you to gain a deep understanding of your business's financial health. They can identify strengths and weaknesses in your financial statements, pinpointing areas that may be required to improve before you list the business and go public with it. Furthermore, they can help you identify opportunities for enhancing profitability and mitigating any potential threats that could affect the sale negatively. Working with a good business broker, and I mean a good business broker, you have to qualify for them, during this phase allows you to develop a tailored strategy to make your business more appealing to potential buyers. Their expertise in the financial analysis and the market knowledge can help you make an informed decision that ultimately leads to a smooth and successful sale. Finally, the last step in step 5, enhance business operations. Initiating improvements in your business operations is a pivotal step when preparing to sell your small business, and the guidance of a proficient business broker can significantly aid you in that process. They can help you identify areas where operational inefficiencies can be enhanced, offering insights to streamlining processes, reducing unnecessary costs, and implementing strategies to boost profitability. A business that operates efficiently not only maximizes its bottom line profit, but it becomes substantially more appealing to potential buyers. By collaborating with either a business broker or an exit planner, you can develop a clear roadmap for these improvements, ensuring that your business is in prime condition to attract serious buyers and secure the best possible sales price. And finally, step 6, market your business. Crafting a targeted marketing plan to draw in the best buyers is a vital aspect of selling your business. Partnering with an M&A advisor or business broker can make all the difference. Business brokers have access to extensive networks and industry-specific knowledge that can significantly broaden your reach. By collaborating with a business broker or M&A advisor, you can tap into their expertise and develop a tailored marketing strategy that targets the right audience, ensuring the business listing reaches a wider pool of qualified buyers. Their guidance can help you maximize exposure, increase inquiries, and ultimately facilitate in a smooth and successful business sale. Step number 7, seek professional advice. Seek professional advice from those who are specialized and experienced in selling businesses and the M&A market. They have invaluable advice and help navigate the complexities that involve paperwork and lending compliance. Business brokers can bring years of experience to the table, ensuring that you have a trusted partner to guide you through the process, making it a smoother and more efficient sale. So if you're thinking about selling your business, I'll make this easy for you. So if you've followed these steps and you've found a buyer, what's next? The final step is to negotiate the sale, sign the agreements, and close the transaction. This is where all your planning pays off. In conclusion, exit planning is a vital part of the small business journey. Start early, set clear goals, and get the right team of professionals on your side. Are you considering selling your business? The first step is to find out how much your business is worth and how long it will take to sell. I'll make this as simple as possible. As a business appraiser, I will do a free business valuation and market assessment to tell you exactly what the fair market value of your business is and how long it will take to find a buyer. And here's the best part. I'll never ask you for a penny up front. I only get paid when I find a buyer who's made an acceptable offer that you're happy with, and we close the deal and money's in your bank account. There's no obligation or commitment on your part. My success hinges on delivering on what I promise I can do. So you have absolutely zero risk. Use the link in the description and let's set up a time to see how much I can sell your business for and what a valuation and what an exit will look like for you. Thanks and take care.